Okay, so I only sealed this up about, I think, the day before yesterday. So I'm pretty disappointed to come out here this morning and find this enormous crack, which runs all the way around the entire base of the terrarium. Maybe it ends here, but I think it just goes underneath the bottom. Yeah, I can see it through the glass there. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it up with some silicone, but it's not going to be as good as this, multi-layer wax, aluminum, etc. seal. So, it's probably, it'll be as good as one layer of silicone, but I could have saved a lot of time just putting one layer on there. I'm not exactly sure why this happened. There's a couple of theories. It could be like some kind of thermal shock, but it doesn't really make sense. I mean, it's glass. It's experienced much more than that when it was created. Could be something hit it somehow, but I don't really know why. It doesn't make sense for it to just be too much weight from lifting it, because it's supposed to, be able to be completely full of fluid, which would weigh a lot more than what's in there now. So, something broke it, but I don't know what. I'm probably going to have to make another one, but for now I'm just going to seal this off with silicone and accept it. I forgot to mention this when I originally recorded it, but there's one other possibility, which is that there was either an existing chip in there, or that the carboy got chipped at some point while I was handling it, and then over the last couple of days, it heats up during the day and cools down during the night, and everything expands and contracts, and that could have driven the growth of a crack from an initial defect around the whole container. Oh yeah, and one other possibility would be that maybe when I put this on, the air pressure was no longer able to get out, and so that put enough on it to pop it, but then you would have expected it to crack with a crack up this way, splitting it like that instead of this. So, still not sure what happened. This thing out. I'll go grab another one. Can I? Nope. Well, look at that. So it won't take any weight, it's completely separated. I'm just going to try to push some sealant into that and then push it back down. Okay, well, that isn't going to look very pretty. The seal isn't going to be perfect. And we're never going to be able to move it again. But it's better than nothing, so I think we can carry on with this. Probably start looking at making another one. Maybe with a different kind of container.